Welcome back. I'm your host, Lagaya Kelly from Bouquet Kennels. Today we're going to learn more about your client portal using the Gingr software. We're going to show you how to update your account and finish your pet profile. So if you're ready, let's go. First, navigate to the Gingr site and log in. If you still haven't set up your account, make sure to watch our first tutorial video. And if you haven't talked to our office to get set up with an account, you'll need to do that first. For the rest of you, go ahead and log in. From here, you're going to navigate to your account using the paw icon on the left of your screen. Next, click on Manage Profiles. This is where you'll find profiles for you and your pet or pets. You can also add new pets from this page. First, we're going to edit your account. Make sure we have the most current information. Any line marked with a red asterisk is a required field. First name, last name, a mobile phone, your email address, this is the one you registered with, your home address, and additional contacts. If you add an additional owner, they won't receive the same text messages as you, but they will receive all the emails. Remember, your emergency contacts and authorized pickup people shouldn't be you. These are good friends or family members that are allowed to make decisions on your behalf or pick up your pet. As you scroll down, there's a spot to save a credit card through our secured processing company. And lastly, here's where you can change your password. It won't show you what you used previously, so make sure to write down the password so you don't have to keep resetting it. Once all that's done, click the blue Save at the bottom. On to your pet's profile. Same as before, click on the Edit button. Complete all the information. Upload a photo of your pet. Not required, but recommended. Then choose your vet from the drop-down list. If you don't see your pet listed, you can add your vet. Next, please list any chronic medical conditions. Give us details so we know how to best care for your pet. The medication schedule is just for permanent meds like insulin or phenobarbital. Finish up with their feeding schedule. You also have an area at the bottom for notes. You can tell us things like, "My dog doesn't like his ears touched," or "My dog can clear an 8-foot fence from standing." Anything you think we should know. Finish up by clicking on the blue Save button at the bottom. Now you're ready to upload their vaccine records. If you have them saved to your computer as a JPEG or PDF, you can just click the Upload Records button and drop the files in the gray area. Alternative methods: clicking in the gray area will open up your files on your computer to allow you to select and upload. Or you can just email your records from your email address that you registered with to bck@shots.pet. It will upload them for you. Need a copy of your records? If you've uploaded them, you always have access to them from anywhere. Just click on Existing Record. Now let's navigate back to the account page and click on Manage Profiles again. Once you're back to the page that shows you and your pets, you'll notice the area just below their name that shows their vaccine due dates. Please note that uploading your pet's records does not automatically adjust these dates. Our back office will handle that. They will only review your uploaded records when they're notified that you have an upcoming stay that requires updates. Now that you've completed your account, you can start requesting dates using this desktop version or download the mobile app to your phone. You're also welcome to call us for bookings, especially if they're time sensitive and you need an answer quickly. Need help with other areas of Gingr? Check out our library of tutorial videos. And as always, thank you for the honor of caring for your pets. We hope to see you soon.